you don't know who's
Well, a very good morning and welcome along to the East Anglian Practical Classics Day Out at the Mid Suffolk Light Railway in Wetheringset. Just starting this off, we'll have a little look at some of the members' cars that have turned up this morning. And while the sun is out, and my word, these are looking fine specimens of vehicles. All different models from all different ages. And some rather luxurious ones as well. That Aston Martin there, a Daimler Dart. And of course this lovely MGA, owned by our good friend Richard. The interesting thing about this one is it's been fitted with a Ford 5-speed gearbox. Still saying with the luxury, we got Rolls Royces and a gorgeous Rover P4. As you can see from the members' cars this morning, complete different variety. And obviously with the sun out, it's lovely to see those Roadsters, Cabriolets. Moving on to the railway section. This particular Shredded Wheat Company Limited shunter actually won an award. We're now actually in the restoration workshop. And there's plenty to, obviously lots of work going on here. I think Richard's just looking at that and thinking, well, what bit do we put on next? Various carriages, as you can see, and we're now actually standing on Brockford Station itself. everything kept original, and well, just look at that timetable for Stowmarket, going back to 1939. And the guards or the porters getting ready for the train now, which has now arrived at the platform. And my word, look inside here. Rather luxurious, I like to say. Okay, so we're now off on our way to Dovebrook. Well, we now reached Dovebrook station, and just having a little quick look round. Now that's the rest of the railway line, which opens on the first weekend of August 2025, and that should take us double the distance actually. Well, we're now heading back to Brockford Station. As you can see on the right, that was the restoration shed there, which we saw earlier on, and also the shredded wheat shunter. Over there on the right at the moment is the it's a little public bar they have there. As we finally return back to Brockford Station. Well, I hope you enjoyed the video, and if you ever get the chance to pop along to the Mid-Suffolk Light Railway, well worth a visit. Until the next video, please like and subscribe, and thank you for watching.